guys, Ioana here, and today we're switching things up a bit. Yes, we'll momentarily set aside our beloved DGRW to delve into cryptocurrencies, specifically the flagship Bitcoin. No, I haven't betrayed it, but we need to answer this question. Will Bitcoin reach 100,000 euros? And how can we make money from it without even touching crypto? Before we continue, today's video sponsor is Freedom24 platform, and we're really grateful to them. I've dropped my personal link both in this video's description and in the pinned comment. By using it, you not only support the channel immensely, but if you're above 25, you also get your first stock for free, worth up to 800 euros to kickstart your investments. And for those under 25, you get a whole month of free commissions. While we're on the subject, do give this video a like and leave a comment, even if it's just a heart. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and this channel wouldn't have grown so much without all your support. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Oh, and of course, share this video with someone. By the way, have I mentioned my free newsletter? Every morning in your inbox with programs, subsidies, financial news about Greece, our taxes, and the latest developments. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and we'll chat tomorrow morning in your inbox, ladies and gentlemen. However, the purpose of the videos is to entertain and inform. This is not investment advice. I'm an amateur investor. I only invest my own money. I am never certified. We never take financial advice from the internet. We only trust the experts, and we always conduct our own research before investing in any project or platform. 3 are the reasons why Bitcoin is starting to rise again. Let's explore them together, starting from the most concise to the most detailed, to see if there's a hidden gem in there. The primary reason for Bitcoin's resurgence is the recent downgrade of the United States' creditworthiness. Whenever a sector of the economy seems shaky, money shifts towards another perceived as stable. When A falls, invest in B to manage the risk. Case in point, the United States credit downgrade came, and shortly after, Bitcoin surged. Of course, this was opportunistic, and it stabilized once investors realized there wasn't a significant risk in the United States. This is why we're saying it's the perfect opportunity to invest as much as we can in DGRU, which is also tax-free. But okay, I'll leave that for now. Events like these, however, happen and will happen again, and it's wise to anticipate them and know where the market will turn for coverage, so we can buy in first. But let's be honest with ourselves. This is very hard to achieve. We can't predict the market, invest in DGRU today to have peace of mind, and whether the market is up or down, we can still get a cozy dividend in 2 months from now. The second reason Bitcoin might have a promising future is a new ETF being prepared by the investment bank BlackRock. This ETF, unlike existing ones, will track the cryptocurrency's price directly. The ETF we will see at the end of the video tracks Bitcoin, but in a more indirect, detached, and market-oriented manner. The issue is that the SEC, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, strongly resists authorizing such an ETF with such direct exposure to a highly volatile product like Bitcoin. For now. Rumors suggest that the BlackRock application will be approved soon and will have an ETF with direct exposure to Bitcoin. This means massive amounts of money will enter the game from institutional and other investors worldwide. However, all this is, folks, pure speculation. It might amount to absolutely nothing. So, be cautious. Now, the third reason, and with the highest certainty that it will indeed happen, is the halving. What is that now? Bitcoin, by design, has a specific operating pattern. We won't dive into the technical details, but roughly every 4 years, the reward miners receive for successfully closing a block is halved. This is referred to as halving. Currently, it's at 6.25 Bitcoin per block and will drop to 3.125 in April of 2024, then to around 1.6 by 2028, and so on. The goal is to have a total circulation of 21 million Bitcoin, and that's it. Now, when the supply of a commodity is limited, and especially to such a degree, its value automatically increases. Indeed, this has happened during previous halvings. Specifically, in 2012, there was an increase of 8,069%, in 2016, 284%, and in 2020, 559%. However, we must remember 3 things. In every such massive surge, especially the last one, the pandemic played a part. But there's always something else happening concurrently that leads to these numbers. These extreme returns aren't solely about Bitcoin. Such increases are conceivable when we're dealing with low prices. If an asset that costs $25,000 today hits a 300% increase, it will reach $75,000. There aren't many items that pricey today, and such capitalization is rare. On the other hand, an asset valued at €1, if it rises to €3, has a significant percentage increase, But in terms of money concentration, in terms of capitalization, it's still quite grounded. Yet, after all, there's always a first time for everything. Thirdly, and most importantly, a fundamental rule of investment is that past performances do not guarantee future results. Yes, all these events might have actually occurred, but will they happen again? The price might decrease in the next halving. We just don't know. We always invest after thorough research and examination, with caution and prudence, and only with the money we can spare, especially in assets like crypto with such volatility. With all this in mind, let's look at an investment vehicle that embodies these principles and can be utilized now. I'm talking about BITO, the ETF that tracks the movement of Bitcoin through an options buying and selling process based on the cryptocurrency's movements without direct exposure to it. However, if we don't want to get involved with crypto and prefer steady, boring, long-term investments and leave FOMO aside, then DGRW, yes, I might get tongue-tied, but it's for a good cause. Because sorry, we don't earn our money easily just to risk it left and right. To purchase it, in closing, a big thank you to the Freedom24 platform, which sponsored today's video. I've left my personal link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Using it greatly supports the channel, and if you're over 25, you can get your first free share worth up to 800 euros, ensuring your investments start off right. But if you're under 25, you get an entire month of free commissions. I'm looking forward to your comments with ideas for future videos, questions or clarifications about what we discussed today. That's all from me. Kisses and see you soon in the next video.